Hi, I'm CC. In this video, we'll guide you through CrownCAD's surface module, helping you master complex surface modeling workflows quickly. This video will use a lifting ring as an example to explain the basic operations of surface modeling. Create a new part and draw sketch 1 on the front reference plane. Use the center arc command to draw an arc, and use the dimension command to add relevant constraints. On the top reference plane, draw a line, a center circle, and a 3-point arc. Ensure the ends of the arc are tangent to the line and the circle. Use the new reference plane command. Select line angle as the operation type. Select the line and point as shown in the video. Create reference plane 1 and repeat the new reference plane command to create reference plane 2. Select the revolve surface command. Choose sketch 1 as the sketch. Set the rotation axis and termination condition and click OK to generate revolve surface 1. On the top reference plane, draw a center circle and add dimension constraints. Select the split line command. Choose revolve surface 1 as the surface to be split. Select sketch 3 as the splitting tool and click OK to complete the surface split. Repeat the revolve surface command to generate revolve surface 2. On the top reference plane, draw a line, exit the sketch and select the split line command. Choose revolve surface 2 as the surface to be split, and select the drawn line as the splitting tool. Click OK to complete the surface split. Select the revolve surface command. Choose reference plane 1 as the sketch, and draw the rotation sketch. Exit the sketch and return to the revolve surface dialog. Set the rotation axis and method, then click OK to generate revolve surface 3. Repeat the split line command to complete the split. Repeat the bridge curve command to complete the creation of bridge curve 1. Select the extrude surface command. Choose bridge curve 3 as the profile and set the direction to y-axis. Click OK to generate extrude surface 1. Repeat the extrude surface command to generate extrude surface 2. Select the fill surface command. Choose the boundary edges of each surface, set the curvature control to tangent, and click OK to generate fill surface 1. Select the mirror command, and mirror fill surface 1. Repeat the mirror command, and mirror all surfaces except extrude surface 1 and extrude surface 2. Select the knit surface command. Choose all surfaces except extrude surface 1 and extrude surface 2. Click OK to complete the surface stitching, converting the surfaces into a solid. That concludes the introduction to CrownCAD's surface module. Now, visit www.crownCAD.com to start your design journey.